Yeah, no big deal. One thing cool about coming to PEZomania is the fact you get to see some really neat things you've never seen before. What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? This is Josh, the Pez guy, on the PEZbook channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, the metal pin version of the Lemon Popeye. Very hard piece to find. And this is some pretty nice paint. You're never going to see perfect paint. It's always this crappy, kind of peeled, kind of played with type. Yeah, you're going to see that. Also, one thing you want to look for, all these brush strokes are one way. You don't see any extra brush strokes. Like, oh, I need to correct that. No, you won't see that. Does have the patent for the KFS, or copyright I should say. And there you see that little dot, that lets us know that there is a little metal pin in there for the spring action. No IMC will be found on this one, but it is a 2.6 Austria. And look how yellow that is. It's that yellow. So until next time...